Hey, this is Mewa Bawumia Akwawa. Had the latest hot news kwa enamide Bremu NT se wunya subscribe to the channel na bomodya say over subscribe. What they are say over click the subscribe button na wa belly notification no. When sa new video be upload when the first person I would say better be. After so we are na wa like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofoforo so na wonye bi na wo hwe na wo hu ye koso e wo Ghana me mo. Afriyie hwe eye ensema abeto yapono so nti ensemu ya koso nti ensemu.
Also almost say na media houses in far list mra. Journalists and broadcasters. Me, I'm not a journalist too. But men can hear broadcaster. They be a journalist, Captain Spade. I am not a journalist. I am a broadcaster. Me, I never want to be a journalist. I am a broadcaster. And to go and look for the definition of a journalist and that of a broadcaster. And Anchrophobia said that I say you're a broadcast journalist. Me, I am not a broadcaster, I am a broadcaster. Tell me here, other way.
Yay!
What was saying we did this again and we list no.
Because you where they been trawano. And no I said me share no Bawumia page. In terms of a movie no, or mobile your friends a miracle bomb pie we ya Bawumia church no. Or more if you were there. Almost so moi. Mobile na mungo table no mungo sign na mungo bia ankoje.
Listen. You see? Listen. She mafia arahosama course on say. What sign would you envelope na sikani shem 20,000 Ghana cedis no. Ye ti envelope na no ye yimu we say 20,000. Ni asade ya shem no wa sign. She Ghana central for mo ya mamwefo. And you see, anytime you have a corrupt society, one institution pet nebetimi akele corruption in our society that is broadcasting and journalism. Who could track in Pisky in less than 3 hours, 4 hours, or whatever hours you spent? Near about 20,000, 200 million. I am saying it. Messi person presenters and I am ready for you and your stupidity and your nonsense and your corrupt attitude. Who could 20,000, 200 million? Me am if you have work and when my
Apotre.
What sign? Near T envelope put on near you 20,000, 200 cities, 200 cities, Kokono, Achel, near San Kashim, no sign. You guys, what is wrong with your head? But when you're not back home, where from town, famam, oh. Me, you're not back on it. And me, number one, number two. Me call press briefing by a politician. No kasa na me mom in someone. If you're a broadcaster or if you're a journalist, why nipa ne se brana maybe some question. How about some mama?
Oh, because them say a party for now.
Who party for? Throw video just a party for.
And
it was
and a party for now.
What
Oh yeah, sure say for
party for when and born and sem. E Kojo Kyeremanteng na say NAPO.
Me who say no NAPO born in sense.
Eh nti NAPO nsem bonko na ye be 300 no. And they say NAPO who one there. You see? You see?
Kojo.
And now me share Bawumia the introduction no. And me who say he's got nothing to offer. I'm telling you. Me who's only shaker. And many producer yako meeting Ghana who meeting a bebo Ghana masundwe abakuru yi who meeting proper ye yan ye to ye petrol ye call ye yan so na tu ye car ye ba empty. What did I mention na say ye kodwen Ghana ho yan kwaje 20,000 presenters ni na no from mo efi media general ha call ye muji 20,000 mo efi multimedia 20,000 despite group 20,000 from everywhere 20,000. What's your boy? The chance card What's your boy? The chance. Every person was giving 20,000 Ghana cedis. Are you not sick upstairs? So we are journalists. Now you to me talk textbooks. A man kwada was school. Now buying koto your friend is saying Pasco 61 million for the first time in the educational history of this country. Ghana for Munchebi you say ye ma Akoto exam serie Woma tron sohe why I can say oh market because I bind in the car. Now we are journalists what Akoto Kampiski. No I 200 million nyamin tuamu inaka. Me will be me 200 million be me come be a minibia me kwanti ama ho minibia me kwa kobobesia minibia me kacha ntibi wanya mame a me ko me account me nya bi wo ho a me won namfo a me frɛ wo ba se me gi o man we tu sika de nyame ntua meka me eno a presenters a omubisa questions a din wo krom hapa no omubisa flani questions wonwa ebisa questions a din ebisa say it is possible you will win. It is not on your show. It's an open conference. You were invited. And with him, Ada, yeah, head of news, Bekacha, say, you say, wa pesa ukobiano, yemfa udin kone ya prove it. I'm say, look me in the eye. Do I look like a fool? And also, I'm saying, I don't want to go. You know the reason why? Me, I swear on the last drop of my blood, you can't bribe me. Sameko, never me question. Seven kubisa. I don't mean adwin. So be tro question. Na media you first say media practitioners. I can see it to some mo behave to some koko. Emma, a woman na wete. Ama mo die. Me see me person ni obi okọ bibia nya asem. 200 million. What if the 200 million bet why am kai no? What if the 200 million bet mama ayama ukrom community center no? Akrofo me say me pesa me ni munya asem agi enne me frame yedin really yeah me on my show me koyam kobisa mahama question NPP platforms are me was with that omo katie enne woso Captain Smart exposes Mahama, Captain Smart disgraces Mahama, Captain Smart dead me damn fee mankasim na meba they were calling me say me mao me say me ba asem amebusa no ebe ya asem and I am quoting Obobia and I FSA NDC Director of Communications FSA Sammy Gyamfi. I said I don't want to ask any question me pesa me baby my baby mama nka sam tro me nya NDC ni ba Mahama currently presidential candidate in onimyansa chen omu nyina me na me ka cho Mahama ni nyansa che presidential candidate ni nyina and ask me why wanye yimu or say me friend central for wabra it's enra hade omo sheda de nkonwa no omo brand in white said o timi ye betimi hu ye say wajiska and ye koi mbisa question and the NPP for kate me question NPP platform so nyina me we na NDC for so ni manya asem say why did you ask that question say me catch was be musa hwe wo se me busa and am busa oh yeah no so yeah no ye so yeah no ye o me busa but we are then also person we share central for what Ghana we say yan send email na ya apply so person we baby ya who busa ba me question a employment a adwuma nonsense.
Watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na engine tum say bebusa question it's me media remember data do me ka ho Cyril and na me if I say Johnny Hughes Roland Walker
Alfredo Kansi Kemini
koy
okoye
me bisa wa
me sure Bella name
ye bebu tibem aye you know no mo sheda o se enu ba Bella no dadin no date na yan fra Roland
ye city mano
what's it say
ye city mano
date na yan fra Johnny
ye man be bite
it's me who say me question no woman him say tro question na mame a ye tro asembusa na mame a me njintum because ye share na do Jubilee House first one ye tro question mame And I'm here, Kojo Kyeremanteng, and I said, do I look like a fool? Kojo said, I'm so okay, then keep your question. Then come to last question, no? We are saving a country. We are not saving a political party. Me say, presidential candidate in Mahama Nimyansa Chemomina. You know why? Samahama bompa or so de bra. Would my bone, but would ye bra? Never good Sammy. Journalists were not got here. A true baby na MC no miracle. As I will be a question or slow, the yam shishino. Please, your time. Then. Guy, you know, fee is it multimedia? Yes. Obisa question me about electric vehicles, you know. Yes, also, it's in relation to that. Why? What are you afraid? Me kwaya come question na one pe. Bawumia number 1. Utu na nado fo a otie. Se otie adenti ana mahama yesi oye incompetent. Na dollar na ye 4 cedis. Na mo na mo ye nkrache fo mo na mo se mo aben no. Se dollar no 16 cedis. Na utu na nado fo a otie. Anase na ontie. Ene ye number 1. Minya kwanje biom a na mabusa say bra Bawumia bibia ye fine with you e Jubilee House o na nka meko. But to be honest, my producer has just told me, he kept telling me yesterday, because I dey be make bia me dwene ho me planning producer say me nka ba meka at a point me do nyame na me feel say me krom assemblyman and journalist kasa me ka bibia as assemblyman bia ya promising say ben deputy minister and na we share central for me ka bibia and then mobile money interoperability say we were Vodafone at me say this call Vodafone number o to me the call MTN with me the call Tigo with me the call him and no achievement nonsense na say minister can be before no so a message na ma wuni anasa wo say ehina many aduane dey we say mobile money interoperability me say enra Bawumia mami hu say me kuro assemblyman mami Gloria Mrs Gloria Odum ano ye gomu atachima ni gomu adabisu assembly woman 1996.
Watching Juicy
when I was listening to Bawumia, that short time I listened to him, I felt like Madame Gloria Odum and the promising say about deputy minister no shares and for no kasa. The journalists that went there yesterday, apart from your 20,000 Ghana cedis that you took, tell me Asamba Akufo Addo in relation what's with the ECD? Na E-levy couldn't mean na ECD. EL to me and na EC. E-levy EL went to me. And ECD, EC. Then your friend ECD. Bawumia was afraid to talk about corruption. Listen to what he said about corruption. Because who said, Kronono or no? I mean, how can you tell me say I would do quite a wound no mema near the contract in Nama? Ye Tramuka still Mr. Chumashada. Chemi. Media making and I listen to my hometown assemblyman. Edu baby na sama okache ya e ma me yam twa kro eno de mantie actually them better here say akeka na bonten say o say ade ese so ye ni na no so oye ne na then odi be di president hey anta mama pon ele ma pon eduma enra Bawumia insulted us odi dig Ghana for in atem say ade ese say me ye ne na be di president aden na me uni ma so person kire what the umma school fees umma de ka ontua school fees eti o ka cho say me tua school fees ni ndan na e be de no headmaster be yi wadi mu waba fie na me de wakoye aduma wa afum me de wakote gotem maso mo akota petehye abrami me tua school fees na be de no headmaster be yi wadi mu waba na maso mo akoto cigarette abrami but Enyam faulta, 20,000 no, Mumfanjiboni. And you see, my cat was happy before the microphone manners, where and cratch for what party no, or not party no. Years back, near Casa NPP were cratch for winning answer. You were cratching near Wajimi. You were cratching near only a training. You were cratching near naturally were bottom. And you were cratching near only answer, cratching near or what drain. because mpani be catch us enwoma empare kwasea aramwa na microphone is so now obi announce no mo refisa it was live on air mo amu efi akabio mo amu say no repeat
mo nkwa table no ho okwa o do invitation be kire na wa sign it
what do invitation ni kira na wa sign na wa 200 million me see me fear half work obi agi 200 million
le
200 million 20,000 red ni bi omo sheda so ko yi sika no first place omo yi first one ay absa second bank omo yi ay fidelity third bank ay CBG I am daring them to come and tell me I am lying sa silver land cruiser na ko yi sika no fee CBG no yehu kana e ko yi sika no from fidelity bank e de buy no yehu absa de no so it was a saloon car Toyota if I say CAMRY I'm going to say Camry yehu yey obi a wode ode ne bayiye ye obi de ne bayiye pe ma obi de ne bayiye wo obi de ne bayiye tu kum ni pawe nam no moja me de ne bayiye ye madwuma yehu kas ni na men kabium say NPP a launch on manifesto NDC a launch manifesto and ye you know home enye kosa it is say no ye de betoto ho NPP for na kase hu say omo bogus manifesto because say time na NDC manifesto no leak here after say NPP for launch tell me NPP for launch omo manifesto Sunday our takra de meboa Wednesday and NDC manifesto NDC for sheda let me tell you today and I am sitting here telling you NDC for sheda no leak omo manifesto no so that the NPP can have access to it. No man who said no man didn't go asem. Oh, we are not going to come out and say, hey, one may press, because NPP manifesto youth, Mebuna Mokrum had then a kafam. Be him about the youth, mobile money interoperability, nonsense. Seminiska on my phone, so I met me as a mini and as a message. So when they realized that, they said, Yankoye, na enkata. Because much no. I told you said 1996 elections is playing off. Let me catch it now. It's the NPP manifesto. JB Dankwa 1996, JB Dankwa 2024. NDC manifesto, Rollins Kasamprenu. We never, Mama Okasa how many times? Imprenu. We get his way to baby. GBC, Tama Mokova 1996. NDC manifesto and NPP manifesto. Obaba ko mema mienu. Mini JB and if yata go so na here this year na. Babe, producer about video no na fe mi kan kasem papa nti ambae. We there me mama who said 200 million and obi akwaje here. Wo bia wo hu obu se tenu.
Other issue was that we wanted to do these tax reforms, import duty, flat tax, tax amnesty, and so on. But why don't I do it now? And why do I want to? I must have a manifesto. Otherwise, if I do everything now, if I could, what will I do when I come into office?
Ebe Bawumia, when me aye. Kofi, look, let me be sincere. More handle Bawumia no. To be honest with you guys, sit him down and direct him. Bawumia is not a politician. That's number one. Bawumia is not a public speaker. That's number two. Bawumia onim the antics and the tactics employing specifics of mental and emotional quotients to address and win people. NAPO with the same problem. Sit him down. Where is Jacob Echebilamte? Dead and gone. Where is Harun Eseku? Dead and gone. Where is J. Akufo? Also on Kahwe. J. Akufo to be called comedy show on NPP manifesto launch. J. Akufo, Messi, or comedy show on NPP manifesto. Enche. Eti, one him dia, ye de prepare ni pano, watum. And I think there's danger ahead of the NPP. Whether you win or lose, listen, there's danger ahead of you. There's someone get careful at home. Party no, echo positioner. You will see what I'm talking about. Asante for any achim for me do nyame. Ebeche 1844 bond no. Achim for no beka so we sika nto mu sika. Asante for no beka say yen ye do so nti ye. You will see the power of money and wisdom fighting. Where will you go? Money and wisdom. Which one would you choose? So we so to number 2. Eh? NPP. Uni madre o mutim say Akufo Addo 3 more thing. Nanado is a vindictive person. Akufo Addo nima dey a friend Bonnie a de che. And I've told you before, we friend me several times. Last Wednesday, I had an invitation. Me, I will not come. Mama president in front 16 million times. I will never come sit before this vindictive person. If you cannot respect Kufo, if Akufo Addo cannot respect Kufo, and show some respect to Otumfo, who am I the for? Meme ye for, I'm a baby. I dream me home. Timpany say we of 4 sa. I assure them. Meme ye for, I'm a baby. So if Akufo Addo cannot respect Otumfo and respect Kufo, who am I a little for that he wants to meet me? Me ma. And a politician be any club of me foco. Because I saved Akufo Addo's life twice. Prempeh Assembly Hall number 1. And Sro Hosu number 2. Bisano. Ushana Bisano. I did. I saved his life. Me no koko so hene. Obiya yini mine. I have to drive. Abaya be at Jubilee House see Nikum on a 2-car driving me in 2007. First save 2008. I had to save 2012. I had to save Akufo Addo. Oh Kumasi. Maintain no, but near man and I do ye no at time. Maintain Bawumia, but near man omo ye no at time. You don't respect Otumfo. You don't respect Kufo. And I may small boy for. Who shall I say? Mempeshe. Baby, I made me here so a menum. And then crowd of Kono Bako. And Naman me Tibo Shiton Makewuro. We are the Mada. Pacho Mercedes Benz and the Mempe. Mempe Benz. Pacho me Mempe. Land Cruiser no a year. Office of the Chief of Staff. Munja me friend, fear me and some friend me Land Cruiser. Me say Mempe. Me pajere gad Land Cruiser na GS 116 na no anampe dada na me boss wa kukukukukukukuku e just so pad medura e no anampe number 3 me ndi danka if you na me team what Tantra Hills me anam see me am dia etimo bia na do say oh we have to pay his rent what yare what the Jubilee House unim say me wadan me kind dine enti me here obi a rent me mama agi baby otena toilet ne bo ho kan no e ho ana me kwaso a metena didi eskafa mentem ho tokro no mu a me mama fie first wall kura ni hu agi e ho na me eya me se me fa me share inside fa me tra obi atwa hu se me mini fufuo baby a me mama te no me mmokro no nye kukuru me mama nkosi akonkon e ho anampe ba me de nyansa ne me sika nkete me fa me sika hwe maato e fi amene di agro me yere nkrofo teche se captain ne fi atwem pona wabo na mo soro bisan se me hu ne sere ho da how can you think like that me bu ma do ma appreciate ma ɛna man nkrɔfoɔ ɛna wo yɛ ɔbaa na me hu ɔbaa ni so pɛdɛ me sika ba metu asese ya na ho atɔ me hu so ba me dim sasha motom na sika ne ba nka sesu it's a pamacho Ghana and Central way. You see, you can choose to like Nana Kwame or Nyash. Hey, you don't know what I'm Nash.
You're waiting for Winnie and someone Akoto. Now, so when you subscribe to the channel now, but more say over subscribe. Now, feel so what like video no. Now, feel what share my offer for so now when you be fair that one year ago. Also, betting actually what you have for a year and somewhere now. I will comment box me over to interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.